guys, it's Tiffany, Marcello, and Rocco, and today we're gonna open up new Playmobil sets that I found at Walmart.com. There's also blind bags that I did not find. Maybe you can find them in store. Let's get them open. These are so cool. Playmobil has some great stuff coming out this year. Scooby-Doo included, perfect for the new Scoob movie coming out. And they also have new Back to the Future sets, yay! So this is the Scooby-Doo set. It's 22 pieces, number 70287. And we have the Mystery Machine, the amazing van. It is number 70286, 72 pieces, ages 5 and up. It comes with Fred, Velma, and Daphne, and here we have Shaggy and Scooby. Let's get it unboxed and give you a closer look. Solve a mystery with the Mystery Machine. Woohoo! The seats.
Oh, the seats.
Uh-huh.
I think they were seats or like things to put food on, like little trays.
Maybe. You can. I think you can in the center. You can switch up the way the seats are. You don't necessarily have to keep it like this. I'm going to keep it like this just for unboxing purposes. Hey guys, let me know what you think of the new Scooby-Doo sets by Playmobil in the comments below. I got two anxious little boys ready to play. You guys ready to play? Oh no! I'm the evil ghost who knocked everybody down.
Here's some pizza, evil ghost. Why don't you give me...
Don't mind if I do.